and welcome back to my channel. So I've come back with another video regarding productive apps. So in total I'll be showing you 3 apps, out of which 2 are for studying and 1 is for exercising. And for all the people out there who think students should not have a phone, you are correct, it can be distracting. But in this COVID pandemic, all that the students are using is a mobile phone or any other sort of technology. And second, if used properly, it is very helpful. It makes studying way more simpler. So without wasting any further time, let's move on to the video. So let me show you the apps that helped me in studying while I was in class 11th and 12th, and then later we will go on to the apps that I use for exercising. So the first app I use is Study Bunny. This is my all-time favorite app. Let's open the app now and go inside. So when you first time open the app, it will show you your bunny, and then it will give you a little instruction on how you need to do and what you need to do. You can set here a timer for a max of 120 minutes, or you could even use a stopwatch. Then after completing a study session, you get a fixed amount of money. For example, for studying for every half an hour, you get 3 rupees. Then using this 3 rupees, you can buy anything for your bunny from the store. Here literally unlimited options are available to you. You can buy so many new items for your bunny. Obviously you will have to study for it to earn the money and then buy them. The best part about this is, like, right now I'll just give my bunny some name. Let's give it Sorted Life. Now the best part is that you can also measure how much you have studied. Like, first of all, by clicking on this little plus sign here, you can choose any color for one subject. For example, I choose this for maths. Okay, confirm. And now let me choose one more subject. Let's say English. Now whenever I study, just click here. You can choose the color tag. What are you studying? For example, if I'm studying English, I can just start with that. Then we have got this to-do list. You can add as many tasks as you want here. For example, chapter 1 I need to complete. So it's like everything is there. The option of flashcards is also there. You can make as many free flashcards as you want. Also, a music section is provided where you can select any tunes you want to listen while studying. And this is pretty much it for this. And one more important thing which I would like to show you is that there is a challenge mode here, and when you press this challenge mode, your bunny becomes unhappy and you need to study more to make it happy. As you can see, this green line shows how much happy your bunny is. Right now you have not studied anything, still your bunny is happy. But for example, if I just go and click on this challenge mode, okay, now your bunny won't be happy. Now as you can see, it's not happy. So Time Planner is the next app that I want to show you. In this app, you can just go on this categories and go on the category option and select the major categories you want to complete in the day. For example, you need to study. Second category we want to exercise. Okay, now suppose you want to study at, say, a specific time, say from 9 to 12. So you can just add a task here and write what do you want to study. So you want to study English. Now you can schedule this task. So go on schedule, go on your schedules. See, from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. you can it shows in your schedule just like that. So these were the two main study apps that I would recommend you guys. Now moving on to the apps for exercising. After researching a lot, the best exercising app which I've found is Fiton. So I'll just show you the different workouts that it has. So there is meditation, yoga, stretch, strength, HIIT, cardio, toning, Pilates, kickboxing, no equipments, quick HITs, dance, ballet, circuits, celebrity, energy, respin, before bed, at work, beginners, low impact, small space. It even has workouts when you are with kids, or paternal workouts, or postnatal workouts. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correct, but yeah. And it has many challenges that you can simply join, and for example, August challenge, train like an Olympic, 10 days kickstarters, love yourself challenge, 14 days meditation challenge. I did like half of this challenge, six pack attack. Also obviously have the targeted areas also for time frames, intensity. This is it for this video. Now click on the video shown on the screen and watch it. You'll hopefully enjoy it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.